mind that we had a student in the lineup, and it's only fought at the first set, but I'm happy I've qualified for the championship, and I think KCB is growing from where we have reached the finals today. Next year, we'll be number one. Even in the club championship, things are going to change. We're the national team for a very long time. We have only the club where we less than a month before the playoffs. We have done a lot of work, but next year things will run smoothly because all of us will be there.